Welcome to What Gear Quickie Leaks. Consider subscribing if you want to keep up to date every week with the latest tech leaks. And this week, there's more news about the Google Pixel 4, also more iPhone 11 news, as well as some leaks from Nokia and Samsung. And of course, what a lot of you guys came here for, more Sony leaks. So are you ready? Let's go. More Pixel 4 XL rumors have emerged. And this week it comes in the form of a proper 3D render from OnLeaks and Price Barber. Two words for you: chin and forehead. Wait a minute, there was three words. Anyway, a bigger forehead, a smaller chin, but the good news is there's no notch. And let's be honest about this, the real reason why a lot of people will be considering this phone will be because of its camera performance. That triple camera square is almost guaranteed to impress when it comes to the results. And who knows, maybe they've got something special in play when it comes to that selfie camera. What do you guys think? Are you looking forward to this device? Now on to the iPhone 11 rumors. So these renders have surfaced this week from OnLeaks and Kashkaro. And okay, two more words for you: the notch.
The notch, right.
It's there, and it looks like it's here to stay for a while. What do you think of this design going into 2020, especially considering that a lot of people are going to sign up for 2 years or even 3 years for this new iPhone? Do you think it's a little bit outdated? Anyway, more Apple news. Apple have decided to redesign their MacBook keyboards with an all-new scissor keyboard, according to Min-Chi Kuo. I think this is a smart move because so many people complained about those keyboards on the current MacBooks. I'm lucky, I've got one of the old ones before they introduced this new keyboard, so I'm not complaining. But if you're thinking about getting a MacBook, you might want to hold fire until they release this new one. Okay, back to smartphones, and word on the street is there's a new Nokia triple shooter on its way, and it's got a circular camera array similar to that what we see on the Huawei P30 leaks. And apparently the code name on this one is TA1198. And I guess the question is going to be, is it going to be able to stand up to the flagships when it comes to camera performance? I heard mixed reviews about the Nokia PureView, which looked amazing, and some of the stuff you could do with it was amazing, but there was a lot of criticism around that. So fingers crossed, let's hope they can pull it out of the bag with this one. But what do you guys think about Nokia these days? Would you buy one? Let me know in the comments below. Okay, now some more Samsung leaks, and this one is rumored to be called the M30S. Now check out these leaked images from 91 Mobiles. It kind of looks like it's got this rectangular camera layout on the back. It certainly looks interesting. I just wonder how many cameras this one might have. I wonder, will this one have more than 4? There's a poll up in the top right corner. Let me know what you think about that. Okay, Sony fans, this is what you guys came here for. And the word has been leaked that Sony have started working on a foldable/rollable design, according to Max J. And apparently it might have the Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 processor with the Qualcomm X50 5G modem, a 3220 mAh battery, and a 10x zoom camera. And the crazy thing about this is that Sony actually started working on flexible panels ages ago and just gave up on it. And now they've returned to the idea. The only difference is this time, apparently, they'll be working with LG on the screen tech to make this a reality. So here's my question for you. What do you think this device will be called? Leave a comment below this video. So on to some more Sony rumors. Now I heard apparently Sony are particularly interested in developing a transparent and flexible smartphone screen. And if this is true, I wonder what they're planning to do with this thing. What do you think, guys? Are we going to see transparent displays in 2020? Let me know what you think about that. And I heard these could be the specs of the new Xperia 20 mid-range smartphone. So it's got a Qualcomm Snapdragon 710 processor, and I made a video about that ages ago when they launched it. And apparently it's going to have two 12 megapixel shooters. And before you think 12 megapixels isn't that much these days, just bear in mind that the Google Pixel uses 12 megapixels, and a lot of people think that that's the best smartphone camera ever. Well, to date. And when we look at the design, some good news. It looks like there will be a headphone jack. So praise the Lord for that.
Mind if I praise the Lord?
So if you enjoyed this week's Quickie Leaks, I'd appreciate a thumbs up. and a subscribe. And if you want to check out more leaks from previous weeks, which is definitely worth doing because a lot of them are so far away, you'll still be ahead of the curve. There's some thumbnails on screen right now, so go check those out, and I'll see you guys in the next one. So don't be late.